What's going on, guys? Drew here today for episode something of Goldeneye. I don't even know. This is Secret Agent playthrough. Today we're doing Streets, Depot, and Train. So it's a three-level episode today. Today on Streets, we got to contact Valentine, pursue Ourumov from Natalya, and minimize civilian casualties. So without further ado, let's just get this started. Now, since this is Secret Agent, and when I do it on 00 Agent, there is a time limit. Valentine. Valentine's right here, so start talking to Valentine. Mr. Bond, I see you've indulged the clutches of military intelligence. Yes, but General Ourumov has taken Natalya. I saw the car. He's taken me to the disused military depot. Men will delay them. My men will delay them. What's in it for you, Valentine? Business, Bond. I'd like to see my competitions out of action. Body armor, and maybe a grenade launcher. I don't really have use for it, but it's better. Never know if they use it. Boom. Alright, well, that was easy. Now we're going to go on to the following mission. Depot. Destroy computer network, obtain safe key, recover helicopter blueprints, and locate Trevelyan's train. Okay, Depot. Depot. Don't really care for this mission. It's sort of annoying, honestly. Gates. Should be some guards coming. guards are in full force. But James Bond has defeated them, of course. Not even gonna... Not even gonna worry about the little arms plant they have. They have a bunch of weapons and rockets, but I'll have to do a double agent, so... I'll save all the double agent missions for that series. So in the train we go. Okay. That's pretty straightforward. We gotta destroy brake units, rescue Natalya, and locate Janus' secret base and escape to safety. that they just woke up or something while they were on fire. This is like the Janus Special Forces unit. What in the world? Since when do they come from in there? I've been playing this game for like 10 or 11 years, and they've never come from in there. Oh my god. Let's do this over again. You know what, guys? I'll be right back. I'll just get to the end. You guys don't want to see me do this again. Alright, guys. Same spot. Pretty much. So I'm gonna get this over with. Alright, so while Natalya's doing that, I'm gonna break this floor so we can escape. Guys, we're gonna count that as mission complete. I know it didn't say mission complete, but still, that was basically the level. So, I don't know how in the world. Yeah, so that's gonna count as mission complete. So that's sort of sad though. But next episode we'll probably do jungle and control, and then we'll have caverns, and then the cradle. So that should be fun. So I'll see you guys in the next episode.